What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another Nike Outlet find. This is a pair of LeBron 16s right here. It's the 4 Horsemen. I think this is a really nice colorway of the LeBron 16. Very detailed. It's got a nice little 4 Horsemen logo right there with the LeBron James logo. Very nice shoe. If you like these, check out the StockX affiliate marketing link to buy them in the description. Pretty nice shoe. We'll see how they look on foot just in a second here. If you look inside, it says something about like Akron, Ohio right there, I think. I believe there's like a LeBron James type signature at the back of the shoe in the suede. Quite a nice pair of shoes. Again, this is the LeBron 16 Horsemen. Check out the StockX affiliate marketing link to buy them. The link is in the description. Let's see how they look on foot.